So my name is Arvind Sethi. I'm the Head of Service Delivery at Tollring. I've been in the position for over 14 years now. Today I'm at the Zoholics UK conference at the ITC Birmingham. We do call analytics and call recording. So we connect to different telephony systems such as Microsoft Teams, Cisco Broadworks, and the aim of our product is to provide an overview of how the businesses or the employees are doing. Yeah, so 9 years back when I moved into a senior role around taking the technical support team, the software they were using for ticketing was extremely slow. To open a ticket it will take a couple of seconds, and I researched several different competitors, Zendesk, Freshdesk, and then I came across Zoho Desk. And it was a no-brainer because it was such an easy setup for me. I could create all the SLAs and priorities, and from that point onwards, we started our first tool with Zoho Desk. And then we moved to Zoho Projects, and then we started to look at remote desk sharing applications. So we were using TeamViewer as an example. And then we looked at a Zoho suite, and Zoho Assist was available. So we got rid of TeamViewer, moved to Zoho Assist, and then it came a time where we wanted a CRM. So we then moved from HubSpot to Zoho CRM. Then we had to make a decision to move to Zoho One because commercially it made more sense to pay for Zoho One. That gives you access to 40 plus applications where we were spending similar on just 3 and 4. So from that point onwards we onboarded Zoho One and we started taking more use of more applications. Well, I think the key thing is with Zoho Desk is a good example, right? We have a development team in India, over 100 members that we've got, and they were using a product called Jira for development tickets. With a click of a button between Zoho Desk and Jira, we've done the integration. So as support team, if they get an issue, they click a button without having to log on to separate portals. They get all the information through Zoho Desk itself. And on the other hand, the development team can also communicate through Jira, which comes back to Zoho Desk. And that's one example of integration. Another one is if a customer logs a ticket without going to a CRM, we can see the full information of the customer right through the ticket, and that's been a game changer for our support teams. Really, companies look at software because they have a problem. Either they want to save costs, they want to increase efficiency, or they want to improve processes, right? So yes, I will recommend any companies that have got some sort of a problem that they're facing, whether it's they're using several applications that are costing them a lot, or whether they've got teams that are not performing well. I will highly recommend them to look at Zoho One. That can help you from ticketing point of view, from marketing to sales. You can bring the whole ecosystem in a single application with one click, and that will further help you join your teams together without having to use multiple applications.